बेसिकली कि डिसीजन स्टेटमेंट्स जो हैं जावास्क्रिप्ट में, हाउ डू वी यूज़ द डिसीजन स्टेटमेंट्स एंड व्हेन इट इज़ इट यूज्ड। तो बेसिकली एक स्मॉल सिनेरियो ये है कि पेरेंट्स हैं और उनका एक चाइल्ड है। तो बेसिकली इफ़ द चाइल्ड helps the parents to do shopping, so the parents will give him $100 to buy his favorite toy, and if he doesn't help, he will only get $5. So let's, in order to use this scenario, we use if else statement. So in the if else part, we created a value which is a boolean value is shopping, a variable. Another variable is child income. So the if condition is inside the brackets. If this condition is true, the code will run inside the body of else. If it is not true, i.e. false, the else part, the default part, will be executed. So basically what's happening is that the if shopping is gives true, we will assign 100, a number 100, to child income. Else we will, if the shopping is not done, we will assign a 5. So when we right now is shopping is false, so when we run it, we will basically get nothing because there is no log function in else. But if we give this value a true, so now when we run it, you will see the output below that shopping is done. And what we can do is we can also now add another variable here, and this variable is called no, over here we want to display child income, so we will show the value so now when the shopping is true, we will display the child income. So by adding another log line, our child income is 100. In the case it's true, we displayed the value below.